The planning is over. And now, it's just the two of you. Waking up somewhere new. In the soft and quiet of old cities and mountain mornings. This is your guide. Not to prepare, but to remember that the best moments are always the one you feel ready for. So here's what to bring. A cozy cashmere wrap for a cool morning in Florence or misty rooftop in Prague. It will become your favorite layer even after your honeymoon. Walking shoes that feel as good as they look. Because you're not just strolling, you're writing your story, one cobblestone at a time. A dress that makes you feel elegant and effortless. Something that will float when you walk, because you deserve to feel beautiful everywhere. Neutral layers that works in museum, on mountains, or at midnight for a gelato stops. A lightweight umbrella because Europe has mood, and that's part of the romance. A travel adapter because Europe doesn't do North America. A small notebook to write down the magic that photo just can't hold. A silk scarf for the wind in Santorini or the chill inside the quiet chapel. With signature perfume, so every cafe, every night train, every memory smells like you. And one outfit that makes you feel like the main character. Because you are. And this isn't just travel. It's your beginning. Your next chapter. This is elegance. This is stillness.